Hey, I'm Sam the Cooking Guy, and right now I'm in Graze, our little casual restaurant in Little Italy. It's charcuterie boards and flatbreads and cocktails and shareable appetizers. And while we think it's a fabulous place just to come to grab some of that, we also think it's an amazing spot for your private casual events. So I know, of course, cocktails are important to things like this, and we have a great bar here at Graze. Like this. It's called Sam's Favorite. It's mezcal, pomegranate liqueur, and grapefruit juice, and it is incredible. So we've designed it so it feels very much like our living room, which could be your living room. Look how comfortable it is. Imagine you and all your friends all lined up here. Cocktails, flatbreads, the whole thing. And did somebody say fire pit? Because clearly we've got that too. But imagine your group. They have this side of the restaurant, so they're standing, they're talking, they're eating, they're nibbling, they're drinking, and then they cruise out here, they sit down, they warm up, they relax. It's so great. And by the way, if you're looking for more outdoor space, we've completely got your back here. It just occurred to me, what we haven't shown you is how we look at night, because that's really cool. And when you get with your Graze private event, well, you get customizable menus, you get your own on-site coordinator, and you can choose from being inside, outside, or maybe both for your event. Okay, so that's us. Look, we think this is like the perfect place for an event, for a party, for whatever your celebration is. Like the dogs even love it. You can have part of the place, you can have the whole place. We'll work with you to figure it out. So reach out, let us know what you need, and we'll make it happen. We're gonna have a great time together. Great time.